From north to south, east to west, we're going to explore the art full of wonders and mysteries. Welcome to Finding Art.
Ginger. Ginger, Zingiber officinale Roscoe, is a flowering plant in the family Zingiberaceae whose rhizome, ginger root or simply ginger, is widely used as a spice or a folk medicine. It is a herbaceous perennial which grows annual stems about a meter tall, bearing narrow green leaves and yellow flowers. Ginger is indigenous to South China and was spread eventually to the Spice Islands, other parts of Asia, and subsequently West Africa. Ginger was exported to Europe via India in the 1st century AD as a result of the lucrative spice trade and was used extensively by the Romans. India is now the largest producer of ginger. Horticulture. Ginger produces clusters of white and pink flower buds that bloom into yellow flowers. Because of its aesthetic appeal and the adaptation of the plant to warm climates, ginger is often used as landscaping around subtropical homes. It is a perennial reed-like plant with annual leafy stems about a meter tall. Traditionally, the rhizome is gathered. When the stalk withers, it is immediately scalded or washed and scraped to kill it and prevent sprouting. Production. Top 6 ginger producers in tons 2012 are India 703,000, China 425,000, Nepal 255,208, Nigeria 156,000, Thailand 150,000. Indonesia 113,851, world total 2,095,056. Uses. Ginger produces a hot, fragrant kitchen spice. Young ginger rhizomes are juicy and fleshy with a very mild taste. They are often pickled in vinegar or sherry as a snack or cooked as an ingredient in many dishes. They can be steeped in boiling water to make ginger tisane, to which honey is often added. Sliced orange or lemon fruit may be added. Ginger can be made into candy or ginger wine, which has been made commercially since 1740. Mature ginger rhizomes are fibrous and nearly dry. The juice from ginger roots is often used as a spice in Indian recipes and is a common ingredient of Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Vietnamese, and many South Asian cuisines for flavoring dishes such as seafood, meat, and vegetarian dishes. Fresh ginger can be substituted for ground ginger at a ratio of 6:1, although the flavors of fresh and dried ginger are somewhat different. Fresh ginger may be peeled before eating. For longer-term storage, the ginger can be placed in a plastic bag and refrigerated or frozen. Nutritional value. Ginger root ground. Nutritional value per 100 gram. Energy 1,404 kilojoules. Carbohydrates 71.62 gram. Sugar 3.39 gram. Dietary fiber 14.1 gram. Fat 4.24 gram. Protein 8.98 gram. Vitamins. Thiamine B1 0.046 mg, riboflavin B2 0.17 mg, niacin B3 9.62 mg, pantothenic acid B5 0.477 mg, vitamin B6 0.626 mg, folate B9 13 microgram, vitamin C 0.7 mg. Minerals. Calcium 114 mg, iron 19.8 mg, magnesium 214 mg, manganese 33.3 mg, phosphorus 168 mg, potassium 1320 mg, sodium 27 mg, zinc 3.64 mg. Regional use. In Indian cuisine, ginger is a key ingredient, especially in thicker gravies, as well as in many other dishes, both vegetarian and meat-based. Ginger also has a role in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. Fresh ginger is one of the main spices used for making pulse and lentil curries and other vegetable preparation. Fresh ginger, together with peeled garlic cloves, is crushed or ground to form ginger garlic masala. In Bangladesh, it is finely chopped or ground into a paste to use as a base for chicken and meat dishes alongside onion and garlic. In Japan, ginger is pickled to make benishoga and gari, or grated and used raw on tofu or noodles. In the traditional Korean kimchi, ginger is either finely minced or just juiced to avoid the fibrous texture. In Indonesia, a beverage called wedang jahe is made from ginger and palm sugar. In Vietnam, the fresh leaves finely chopped can be added to shrimp and yam soup as a top garnish and spiced to add a much subtler flavor of ginger than the chopped root. In China, sliced or whole ginger root is often paired with savory dishes such as fish, and chopped ginger root is commonly paired with meat when it is cooked.
Candied ginger is sometimes a component of Chinese candy boxes, and a herbal tea can be prepared from ginger. In the Caribbean, ginger is a popular spice for cooking and for making drinks such as sorrel, a drink made during the Christmas season. Jamaicans make ginger beer both as a carbonated beverage and also fresh in their homes. Ginger tea is often made from fresh ginger, as well as the famous regional specialty, Jamaican ginger cake. On the island of Corfu, Greece, a traditional drink called Zingiberaceae, a type of ginger beer, is made. In Western cuisine, ginger is traditionally used mainly in sweet foods such as ginger ale, gingerbread, ginger snaps, perkin, ginger biscuits, etc. A ginger-flavored liqueur called Canton is produced in Jarnac, France. Possible health benefits of ginger. Digestive issues. The phenolic compounds in ginger are known to help relieve gastrointestinal irritation, stimulate saliva and bile production, and suppress gastric contraction and movement of food and fluids through the GI tract. Nausea. Chewing raw ginger or drinking ginger tea is a common home remedy for nausea during cancer treatment. Pregnant women experiencing morning sickness can safely use ginger to relieve nausea and vomiting, often in the form of ginger lozenges or candies. During cold weather, drinking ginger tea is a good way to keep warm. It is diaphoretic, which means that it promotes sweating, working to warm the body from within. As such, in the wake of cold, ginger tea is particularly useful. Pain reduction. A study involving 74 volunteers carried out at the University of Georgia found that daily ginger supplementation reduced exercise-induced muscle pain by 25%. Ginger has also been found to reduce the symptoms of dysmenorrhea, which is severe pain during a menstrual cycle. In one study, 83% of women taking ginger capsules reported improvements in pain symptoms compared to 47% of those on placebo. Inflammation. Ginger has been used for centuries to reduce inflammation and treat inflammatory conditions. A study published in Cancer Prevention Research Journal found that a ginger root supplement administered to volunteer participants reduced inflammation markers in the colon within a month. Researchers on the study explained that by decreasing inflammation, the risk of colon cancer is also likely to decrease. Ginger has also shown promise in clinical trials for treating inflammation associated with osteoarthritis. Ginger has a long history of use for relieving digestive problems such as nausea, loss of appetite, motion sickness, and pain. It's an important cooking ingredient for its subtle flavor with a tangy freshness, light spiciness with a slightly sweet and refreshing taste. We should therefore consume necessary amount of ginger daily. Thanks for watching. This is your host, Tracy Gomez. Please subscribe. See you in my next video.